Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn one of the writing skill, that is letter. We are going to see how to write a letter in a proper way. For this, format is required for both the kinds of letters. Do you know how many kinds of letters are there in English? There are only two kinds of letters. They are known as formal letters and informal letters. Formal letters, we have to follow formalities. We will see one of the example of formal letter. Formal letters are written to various kinds of officers like collectors, editors, managers, directors, principals, etc. While writing a letter, first of all we have to write the address in the left corner at the top of the page. After that we have to mention the date. Suppose today's date is 14th June 2020. After the name of month we have to put a comma. Then we have to leave one line and then we have to write TO2, comma. Then there will be the address of the receiver. First of all we have to mention the name of the post, like the collector, the director, the postman. Then the address of that office. Again we will have to leave one line and write the subject. In short, as example here is written ban the loudspeaker. The subject must be in a very short way. Again we have to leave one line and write respected sir or madam. The beginning of this letter must be with I would like to draw your attention, because we are going to address the receiver and draw his attention. Then we have to write the subject in detail, whatever is our queries, and then we have to end the letter with I shall be thankful to you or grateful to you and yours sincerely. Then we have to write the writer's name at the end. Here now we are going to see informal letter. In informal letter also we have to begin with the address in the left corner upside. At the end of the address there will be the date, like 14th June 2020. Then we have to write by leaving one line dear whoever we are going to write a letter, like dear father, dear mother, dear grandfather, comma. In the next line we have to mention I am fine here and I hope you will also be fine there. We have to begin informal letter in this way and then continue while writing a letter. Here are some examples. We may take the screenshots of these letters. There are some formal letters. So this is the one. Again you will come to know that another one example of formal letter is written here, and at the end there is one of the example of informal letter. At the end of this you will have to read the letters of these. So students, today we have learnt how to write letters, both of them, formal letter as well as informal letter. Thank you.